My name is David Sparks. I'm an attorney by day and I'm a geek by night. I've been practicing law now 20 years, but I also love technology. I publish the Mac Power Users podcast, I write books at the MacSparky Field Guides, and I also blog at macsparky.com. I do both transactional and litigation, so I have a variety of things going on at any one time. I've got some business clients where we have shared folders, and we use the transporter, and that's a very easy way for us to share large files. Another one I have litigation cases where I work with expert witnesses, and those files are huge because we've got video and photographs and all sorts of data in there. And using the transporter, we're able to put it into a secure location that we can both share and have access to. Professionally, it's made sharing a lot easier. Before, there were people that just would not share with me because a Dropbox was not acceptable to them. And frankly, the data limits on a Dropbox account, unless you're willing to spend quite a bit of money, was not feasible. Another problem it solved, and I know I keep coming back to this, so maybe I am a privacy freak, but before the transporter, there were certain data that I simply would not share to like a Dropbox sharing because I didn't want to have it up in their system. Well, now I feel a lot more comfortable putting data on there because once again, I control it. I know that the terms of service are always changing. My day job, I'm a lawyer and I can't interpret those terms of service. I know that people write those terms of service with one goal in mind, to protect the company, not to protect the user. So I do have my doubts as to how much your data is going to be protected if somebody shows up with a badge. But for me, it really comes down to owning the cloud, being able to control that data. One of the best uses for a transporter for a small business person is to put one in their home and have their office server back up to it. I think this is ridiculously easy, it's inexpensive, and it solves a big problem that businesses has. Because if you have a server and all your key business data on it and your office burns down or someone breaks in, they're gonna walk out with all your data. And if you don't have a way to back it up at home every day, then you're risking your own money and your livelihood. With a transporter, you can have that happen automatically. And I think that's actually one of the best case uses for the transporter.